Welcome back. I'm Jim Ryerson, and in this video, we want to talk about the day of the project. It's difficult to recover from a bad start, so begin by communicating with the customer that you're on the way by using the contact information you confirmed in your team meeting. Confirm the details of your arrival with them, and since you're calling them from your mobile device, please tell them to contact you at that number should they have any questions. There are also several geo-position mobile apps which allow your customer to track you to their facility so they know exactly where you are and when you will arrive. Just put yourself in the customer's shoes for a minute. On the day of the project, they most likely have a lot of other items on their list. So by knowing you are on the way and when to expect you, then they eliminate the uncertainty which comes from having no information at all. Leave ahead of time to allow yourself some margin in your schedule. This takes a lot of pressure off you should you run into any issues along the way. Review the details of your plan on the drive over. Mentally rehearse the initial steps to get the project moving in the right direction right from the start. And if you're going to be late, bad news does not get better with time. Contact the customer immediately, and if it's part of your process, then also contact your team back at the office. Leave nothing to chance when it comes to a first impression.